So guys, as you can hear, as you can see, I'm right here. I'm Brody's sister, and right now I'm taking his place because he's not here. And you guys might be asking, why he's not here? Well, he went to Mexico to go see my grandfather. So I'm gonna show you guys how to make slime. If you want to know how to make this slime, so stay tuned. So I need to set up the camera first. So let me just move some stuff. You guys can see. What you're gonna need is a bowl, which I do not have. I'm gonna use a random bowl, guys. That one. I'll go get one. So, nobody. Oh look, Birdie's back, guys. So
I got a new camera replaced. It's still broken.
So,
see my new camera?
Yeah, he's gonna be recording out there. So he's gonna be recording outside.
I just got from the airport because I couldn't meet him. He said tomorrow morning I can't. So bye. I'll be in 2 months.
So guys, as you can see, I'm using laundry detergent. Sorry, guys. You're gonna need a lot of laundry detergent.
Have my Nikes on the telephone.
Okay, so guys, what you're gonna need is some glue. I'm gonna use lots of types of glue. I'm gonna use clear glue and regular glue, which I have another clear glue that I'm gonna be using. So you can get some toothpicks if you're not gonna make that much slime. I'm not gonna make that much because, see, all you need is a little bit of color. You don't need too much because nothing has to be perfect. No slime doesn't have to be perfect. I just made a slime and it was terrible. So stay tuned to make this slime. I'm right now gonna make it. So make some more. You're gonna need coloring. You can make it any color you want. For now, I'm gonna do blue. And these are the colors I have. And the blue. So, there you go. So you get your laundry detergent. Whatever color glue you're using, that's what color it's gonna turn. If you're using this, it might turn to a random color. So, yeah, let's get started to making some slime. I think I'm gonna use this part. Actually, I'm not, because it's a little too hard. I think I'm gonna use in the bottle. So I'm gonna start pouring. So I'm gonna clean this spoon off, guys. So it's okay if you have some laundry detergent left on it, so because you're gonna need it. And next, you're gonna want to get your coloring, because first you're gonna want to put it in. So let's first try to goop it out. See if it'll come out. I know you guys be like, make the slime first and then put the coloring in it. I don't like to do it that way. This is a little harder, but it's okay. Because everything might be hard. Not everything is easy. So guys, it's taking forever. So what I'm going to do is get it on my finger and then put it on the spoon.
So tell them what they will be receiving at the comment down below to our video. They will be winning this elf and this elf, which is a girl. We got these from Mexico. I'm back because I can't wear any shoes right now. So I'll be here in
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
So guys, I'm going to put a little more.
And I'll go get something for you guys to see.
these coins, yes. So as you can see, I already got the thing there. And the next thing I'm gonna do, it's kind of messy, guys. The next thing I'm gonna
guys, we are gonna be giving you. Just kidding. Just to show you, this is Nintendo 2DS.
And this one.
That's one hers and this one's mine. So this one is Mario with a cart.
So next,
Mario Kart
guys,
4.
what you're gonna do is
And
pile it up. We're gonna be opening those presents on Christmas. So next, you're gonna get your laundry detergent. And like pour it on there. I don't know if I'll have enough laundry detergent left, but it's okay because it's for a video.
So what are you doing?
I'm still making the slime. Yeah. So, guys, it's actually turning. See, it's like goopy. Oh, plus this is the laundry detergent I'm using.
And if you guys know Carl from Heart Collector, subscribe to his channels because I watch his channels. And if you guys don't like his videos, I don't like your videos. So it counts on you guys. Because and you can see this slime, what she made already, which is getting stuck to my hands.
Brody, just throw the glue.
I didn't throw it.
Yes, you did. The glue is literally right there.
I didn't even do that. I was there.
Brody, get a napkin.
It was there before.
No, it wasn't because the glue was standing.
It was.
That's not a napkin. Do not get that.
It was funny.
So,
Here's your napkin. It's a piece of paper, guys.
Brody, get me a real napkin. It's
It's
ready.
funny though. Comment down below if that's funny. They're gonna say it's funny. Cause I didn't go take a poop. Poop. Hey, Mickey.
So now that you guys made that, you're gonna not leave it for one day. Do not do that. That is just messing up your slime. If you did that before, you're messing up your slime. And if you say, "Oh, I know how to make slime," to people, they're like, "Oh, I don't know how to make slime anymore," because you were doing the wrong thing. And if they ask you, "Hey, can you make me some slime?" and ask them, "Do you want water slime?" Because that's the only one I know. Because this is the only one I'm showing you guys. Because I don't have time to waste my glue. So, yeah, just remember that. And, yeah, here's another. For us, it's actually really... Jesus Christ, somebody's going to get hurt with this if it stays in there. Get out. So, it's kind of sticky. That's why I'm leaving it for like one day. And my hands are blue now. It's okay. There you go. So,
and guys, you'll be receiving
maybe that camera.
maybe if you guys turn notifications on and subscribe and smash that up button and subscribe to our channel if you are new, so we can know about you, so we can know about you,